Have you ever seen a pyramid filled with fish? That's right, fish in a pyramid. That's where I'm at right now. This is the first day of the road trip. I'm here at Wahlburgers, not ideal because it's a chain, but it's a small chain. Whereas I'm looking for that little independent restaurant, but it's the location that is worth seeing. This is the Bass Pro Shop, but this is not any old Bass Pro Shop. I mean, they're already pretty cool inside. This is a whole nother level. This is where the basketball team here in Memphis used to play. And when they stopped playing here, Bass Pro Shop took it over. They put a hotel in here. I think they have an observation deck at the top of the pyramid. This place is incredible. It's like being at an amusement park. They've got little lakes in here full of fish, real live fish. They've got alligators, live alligators in here. There's stuffed animals. They've got boats floating in the water. I'm gonna walk around, take some video of this, share it with you. Right now, like I say, I'm at the Wahlburgers. Got a Wahlburger. Sharing some sweet potato, little tater tots here. So, looks good. Think it's gonna be good. We'll find out, but this place is worth a little trip just to come and see this. It's incredible, guys. You gotta see it. Let me show you some of these other sites. And I will show you pictures of the food right about now. Check this out. Bowling in the dark. Check this place out. Some of these fish are incredibly huge. Check out this alligator gar. That thing is gigantic. Inside Wahlburgers, they have this big fish tank right in the center of the room. Check out the size of this catfish. That thing is humongous. This one's even bigger. There's a whole nother floor to this, plus the hotel upstairs. Check out the little alligators in here. Looks good. The hotel up above. Okay, check out the various sauces that they have. Just something about honey that comes in a bottle that's shaped like a grenade just makes me want one. Or a whoop-ass bacon hot sauce. I just want that on my shelf. And if you're in the mood for fresh fudge, they've got quite the variety here. They've even got boats in the water, inside, with fish swimming all around them. I'm not sure. That looks like a water snake in there. They even have water birds in here. There's ducks. Folks, this is definitely a destination worthy of coming to, even if this is all you see. Plus, you got the whole rest of Memphis. But I mean, this is a destination to see. Hey, if you're liking the video, give me a like down below. Maybe hit the subscribe button. And I've got more of these coming throughout the rest of this trip. So, thanks for joining me. I will see y'all soon.